the pill that became forbidden. How hydroxychloroquine was turned into a scapegoat. For more than 6 decades, hydroxychloroquine sat quietly on the pharmacy shelves. It was a workhorse drug, a familiar name in the toolbox of doctors around the world. Malaria, lupus, rheumatoid arthritis. It was trusted, prescribed to millions, safe enough for pregnant women. Few questioned it. No drama, no politics. The same hydroxychloroquine that had been prescribed without blinking for generations was now vilified, not because it had changed, because everything else had. Just medicine doing what medicine is supposed to do, help people. It didn't matter that frontline doctors saw promise in it. It didn't matter that there were decades of safety data. Misleading studies were paraded around, including one that used doses 4 times the standard amount in already sick patients, and then held up the inevitable results as proof of danger. The retraction came later, quietly, after the damage had already been done. Suddenly, the media decided this was a dangerous drug. This was about control, about narrative, about which experts got the microphone and which voices got silenced. What changed was who controls the narrative and who profits from your fear. Then 2020 hit. Suddenly, this old, reliable drug became a lightning rod. You see, this wasn't about medicine anymore. Hydroxychloroquine wasn't demonized because of new science. It was demonized because of new propaganda. It was a symbol, a scapegoat, casualty of a political virus far more contagious than anything nature could dream up. When questioning Big Pharma didn't make you a conspiracy theorist, it made you a responsible citizen. Once certain politicians, particularly one, especially polarizing figure, mentioned the drug's name, it was game over. The headlines weren't based on facts. They were based on fear. And just like that, hydroxychloroquine was no longer a medicine. But Americans are waking up. Remember when medicine wasn't a partisan sport, when a doctor's judgment mattered more than a network's narrative. The trust is broken. The people are tired of being lied to. Hydroxychloroquine was safe before the storm. It didn't change. What other truths have they buried, follow, and reposed? So the question is, drop your thoughts below.